Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Izzati Najihah binti Abdul Hafidz from LG240-5DI. I am representing my other team members, Hafizah, Ahmad, Hanipah, and Vanessa, Enjop. Let me start by introducing the title of our research poster, which is Subtitling and Language Learning. By the end of this presentation, you will have learned about the effects of subtitling on language learning. My presentation is divided into several parts. First, I will begin with the objectives of our research. Next, we will look at the findings and discussions, and finally, the conclusion of our study. Moving on to our research objectives. The first research objective is to determine the language skills that were improved by watching subtitled videos. Secondly, to identify the type of subtitles that help students in language learning. And finally, to find out the significant differences between students who watch subtitled videos and unsubtitled videos during their language learning. To illustrate this, let's have a closer look at our findings and discussion. According to the first bar graph, watching subtitled videos are proven to help the language learners improve their vocabulary acquisition as well as listening skills. This data was recorded from numerous studies within the year 2014 until 2018. As you can see, the highest bar is the vocabulary acquisition, as it was found in 9 researchers where it is the most improved skill after watching subtitled video. Other language skills were also improved, such as reading, listening, and writing, but not as much as the vocabulary acquisition as well as listening skills. Let's move on to the next finding. The green bar graph indicates the significance of the proficiency post-test score after watching 3 different types of subtitles. This experiment was done by Mardani and Najma Badi in 2016 towards 3 different groups, which are bimodal, standard, and reverse subtitling. The significance level for this study is set at 0.05. It can be concluded that the participants in reverse group performed significantly better compared to the standard and bimodal group. This is because, as you can see on the graph, the significance for reverse group is 0.02. Thus, it is near to 0.05. That is why it is more significant compared to the other groups. Now let's proceed to our final findings. These 2 graphs represent the effects of subtitled videos, where it has greater effect than unsubtitled video on students' writing ability and listening segmentation. So based on the first graph, a study on subtitled and unsubtitled videos on students' writing ability by Suparmi, Cahyono, and Latif in 2017, it shows that the students who viewed subtitled videos performed better compared to the students who views unsubtitled videos and to those students who did not view any videos at all. In other words, subtitled videos give a better effect on students' writing ability. The second graph is according to a study on listening segmentation done by Charles in 2017. It shows that the learners who watch captioned videos are able to improve their second language listening skills. As you can see on the graph, the unsubtitled groups, their scores remain constant throughout the experiment, whereas the subtitled groups, their scores were improved on each test. Hence, the learners who watch captioned video consistently perform better compared to the students who watch unsubtitled videos. It means that their second language listening skills were improved by simply watching subtitled TV programs on a regular basis. Overall, the findings and discussion managed to meet our research objective. It can be concluded that the subtitles can improve language skills at different levels. The most effective type of subtitling for learning vocabulary is reverse subtitling. This kind of subtitling generates better results compared to bimodal subtitling and standard subtitling. Finally, it can be concluded that the subtitled videos not only facilitate language learning by helping the learners to visualize, what they hear, but it also increases their language comprehension. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.